Then we are move on to sample. I'm already told sample is the important factor of rate of migration of molecule, especially preparation of the sample. Yes. The sample first factor is charge of the sample. Second factor, size of the sample, shape of the sample. Charge means suppose we can separate the DNA is highly negative charge, no problem. Suppose we can use the protein molecule, so the problem will arise because proteins are ampholytes. It can wide range of charges. So it exhibits wide ranges, so it can significantly affect the rate of migration. For example, I will say was beautiful example. Suppose you are take acidic protein. Acidic protein means this acidic protein only get a small migration, even though the all conditions are good. How means? Because it's negatively protein, so migrate very slow. If you are taking positive protein, it can migrate very faster. Okay. So these kind of factors we are going to study at the time of STS page. So just recall the net charge of the molecule is main factor. If the charge is high, it's migrated very fast. If charge is low, migrated very slow. Okay. But these factors, this factor only applied for DNA. But in the case of protein, it's completely differ. Whether acidic proteins or basic proteins are we are separated. So that time we are supplemented with the SDS. So all proteins are converted into anionic. So after that we can separate it from cathode to anode. Okay. So we can deal that time. Please recall this point. Suppose if the molecule is the carbohydrate, we can easily separate it because it's either positive or negative. So the charge of the sample to influence, before applying the sample, you should confirm whether it's positive or highly negative. The high rate charge is greater, the electrophoretic mobility. The charge depends upon the pH of the medium. Okay. The charge depends upon the pH medium only concern the protein alone. So other molecules are not dependent. The pH of the medium. Yes. Okay. Because proteins are get ionized. Proteins are get form as Zwitter ions. Okay. Size of the sample. Here is clearly mentioned. Here, three type of proteins are there. Only small size, bigger size, or medium size. Three proteins are there. So if you are placing the electrophoresis, the small molecules are migrated faster, and then the medium size, then the large size. Suppose if you are taking the sample is greater than the pore size, the molecules never migrate. You will always choose the greater pore size according to the sample. Yes. Suppose if you are taking the linear sample, means for taking linear sample, so the linear sample will easily migrated in the large pore size. Yes. So the size of the sample is very important. You are always taken the small size of the sample for getting better resolution. Yes. So after separation, the large molecule are settled here, the medium size molecule settled here, and small molecule settled. So finally we calculated D1, D2, D3. So the distance will exploit the size of the molecule. Finally we got relative friend RF value. So this is distance migrated molecule divided by the total distance of the gel. So finally we got RF. The RF value is very important in the case of electrophoresis. If the RF value is greater than 1 means the molecules are migrated very slow. If the RF value is less than 1 means the molecule is small in size. So finally we got RF value. Before applying the sample, we must calculate the RF value of the sample. This is for getting the better resolution. If you are taking the glycoprotein or fibrous protein, the glycoproteins are look like a transmembrane protein, yes, but the fibrous proteins are just an example. Take a collagen. If you are taking the integral protein or glycogen, so both are you are trying to separate, but even the same molecular weight, the fibrous molecules are migrated more faster than the glycoprotein. Why means the shape of the sample is differ. The shape means that how means the structure of the molecule is different. So here it clearly mentioned globular protein will migrate faster than the fibrous protein. So here the structure is entirely differ. So the agarose or other supporting media containing a small pore size. Yes. So the pore size always in circular or triangle or hexagonal. Okay. So this is the normal pore size. But if the molecule is the same size, we can easily separate it. The size of the molecule is different sizes, but it can separate it later. Okay, this is the very important point. Charge, size, and shape.